Hi guys, welcome to a new episode from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will do another shimmy, but this time it will be a hip shimmy. We will be working with our knees and our hips, and we start with our proper body posture as always, feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly open, chest, long neck. And we will be doing a movement with our knees. When we will be working with our knees, just putting our body weight from one side to the other. The knees are working to the back and to the front, but we are not going to the straight leg. We are all the time in this position with a slightly bent knees. And when you work this way with your knees, the movement is automatically going to your hips. Yes, so the knees are moving. There is a little slight change of your body weight, so you go from one leg to the other. Your knees are working and your hips are working, and now you want to focus not only on your knees but also on your hips, so you will be really aware that your hips are going up and down all the time. And now you can do it faster. Ta 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 ta. The hips are of course responding and they also work faster. All the time, up down, up down, up down, up down. Ta 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 ta. And when you go a little bit faster, you're starting to do a hip shimmy. Yes, so you want to keep your glutes relaxed, your belly relaxed, your thighs more or less relaxed. They cannot be 100% relaxed because there is a body weight on them, but you don't want to tighten them more. So relax all this part of your body. You're working with your knees, you're thinking about your hips going up and down. The most important part to relax is your glutes, so you will have this shimmy movement. Yes, and this is how you do a hip shimmy. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do a hip shimmy. If you have any more questions or doubts, also leave a comment and I will answer. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on bell notifications to be notified about all new content on my YouTube channel. And I'll see you here next week. Thank you very much for your time. Bye!